In today's video, I am going to teach you how to allow or block camera access in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the main settings area. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can find a range of browser options and settings. From that menu, click Settings. After the Settings page opens, look to the menu on the left side and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for how Chrome handles website data, permissions, and access to features on your device. Next, click Site Settings. This page lets you manage what websites are allowed to do, including using your location, microphone, notifications, and camera. Scroll down until you reach the Permissions section. In that section, click Camera. On the Camera page, select Sites can ask to use your camera. This setting allows websites to request permission before they access your camera. If you prefer to stop websites from using the camera, this is also the same area where camera access settings are managed, so it is worth checking this section whenever you want to review or change your preferences. That covers everything you need to know.